In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add page navigators in Power BI. Let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step, ensuring you can easily navigate through your reports like a pro. To get started, open your Power BI report. Once you're in, you'll want to direct your attention to the top menu bar. Here, you'll find several tabs, but for our task today, we're focusing on the Insert tab. This will be your go-to area for enhancing your report with new elements. Clicking on the Insert tab reveals a variety of options, but the one that interests us today is under the Buttons category. Hover over Buttons, and you'll notice different Navigator options listed there. Among these, you'll see the Page Navigator option. This is what we'll be using to create a seamless navigation experience across your report's pages. With the Page Navigator added to your report, shift your focus to the right side of the screen where you'll find the Visualizations pane. This area is crucial as it allows us to configure and customize the design and functionality of our Page Navigator. Here, you can modify a number of attributes such as shape, size, rotation, and style. Feel free to tailor these settings to match the aesthetic and navigational needs of your report. Remember, the goal is to make it both functional and visually appealing. Next, let's delve into the Pages section. This area lets you configure how the Page Navigator will function in terms of transitioning between different pages. It's important to note that you'll need to have created additional pages beforehand for this feature to work effectively. As you continue adding pages to your report, you'll see them automatically appear in your Page Navigator, allowing for a cohesive multi-page navigation experience. One handy feature within the Visualizations pane is the ability to hide or show specific pages. This can be done simply by enabling or disabling the pages you want to appear on your Page Navigator. This flexibility means you can display only the most relevant pages, keeping your report organized and your navigation straightforward. Once your Page Navigator is fully configured on one page, you can also add it to the other pages you've created within your report. Doing so ensures that the navigation remains consistent throughout, enhancing usability and making it easy for viewers to move from one section to another with just a click. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a Page Navigator to your Power BI report, creating a new level of interactivity and ease of use. Keep practicing and experimenting with different settings to find what works best for your specific needs. Thanks for watching, and happy navigating.